Add shredded bread slices and milk. Soak bread in milk and set aside. In food chopper, add chicken and chop it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add soaked bread, chop little more. Add garlic powder, salt, paprika, black pepper powder, soy sauce, dried parsley, egg and chop it for 1 to 2 minutes. Take out the mixture in a bowl and refrigerate for 30 to 45 minutes. Coating, take a bowl, add flour, corn flour, chicken powder, mix and set aside. In another bowl, take breadcrumbs, add black pepper, salt, dried parsley, mix and set aside. In a separate bowl, take 1 egg and whisk it and set aside. Grease your hands with oil properly, take chicken mixture as per desired size and shape it. Coat in flour mixture, dip in beaten egg, then coat in breadcrumbs. Prepare all nuggets and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Shallow or deep fry until nice golden color appear.